commercial broker, what are they? Who are they? A commercial broker is a professional who helps businesses buy and sell goods and services. They often work with businesses in a specific industry or geographic area and have expertise in that market. There are several different types of commercial brokers, including there's a real estate broker, there's an insurance broker, there's a merchandise broker, and there's a business broker. Now we're going to be talking about real estate broker. Now in order to be a commercial broker, an individual typically needs to have a strong understanding of business principles, finance, and marketing. They also need to have good communication and negotiation skills, as well as the ability to network and build relationships with potential clients. Overall, the role of a commercial broker is to help businesses find the resources and opportunities they need to succeed. They are an important part of the business world, and their expertise and guidance can be invaluable to companies looking to grow and expand. Now, a real estate commercial broker is a professional who helps businesses buy, sell, and lease properties. They specialize in commercial real estate, which refers to properties that are used for business purposes rather than residential purposes. Some examples of commercial real estate properties include office buildings, retail spaces, industrial warehouses and flex spaces, multifamily apartment buildings. Real estate commercial brokers work with a variety of clients, including businesses, investors, and developers. They help clients find properties that meet their specific needs and budgets and assist with the negotiation and closing process. To be a successful real estate commercial broker, an individual needs to have a strong understanding of the local real estate market and the specific needs of business. They should also have an excellent communication and negotiation skills, as well as the ability to build relationships and network with potential clients. In addition to helping clients buy and sell properties, real estate commercial brokers may also assist with the property management and lease negotiations. They may work with landlords and tenants to ensure that properties are well maintained and that lease agreements are fair and mutually beneficial. Overall, the role of a real estate commercial broker is to help businesses find the perfect property to meet their needs and goals. They play a vital role in the commercial real estate industry and can be a valuable resource for businesses looking to expand or relocate. Now, with all that, I know it's a mouthful. Let's get into the definitions. The definitions, I want you to listen up because these are the key aspects that I want you to take away from this training. There's two different definitions that we're going to really hammer home. There's residential and there's commercial. Residential, designed for people to live in. Private residential and nursing homes, they're providing accommodations in addition to other services occupied by private houses concerning or relating to residents. Residential, the definition, designed for people to live in. Okay. Commercial, concerned with or engaged in commerce, making or intended to make a profit. So we have multifamily units in commercial, and here's your big takeaway. 1 to 4 doors is residential. You can have 4 separate homes all connected in one building, and that is considered residential. Now also, you can have 5 or more units and it's considered commercial. Let's take a look and see what that looks like. So we go to our drawings here. Beautiful home. Who would not want to live here? Now this is a residential property. This is also a residential property. Those are also residential properties. If they each have their own street address, which means this one right here is 123 Success Lane. This one right here is 123 Dream Road. And then this one right here is 321 Paradise Avenue. And then this one right here is 132 Duke Court. A lot of different types of streets. which will be covered in a future training. For now, we just went over lane, LN, road, RD, avenue, AVE, court, CT. Now, these 4 homes separate with separate addresses are considered as single-family residence, 1 unit. Now, we can take these same addresses and we can combine them up under 1 roof, and this is called a 4-plex. We can do the same, and this right here is 3 doors, right? This is called a triplex. And not only is this a 4-plex, but it's also a quadplex. Now we can also get a little bit smaller. We can have 2 doors, and this is called a duplex, or 2 doors, right? And most people call those duplexes. All of these are considered single family, including this last one, which is just a house. This is called a single family residence. Now, what's so special about this is on all 4 of these types, these will qualify for a mortgage, meaning I can go out, and this is in the United States of America, I can go out and I can apply for a loan, and I can say that I'm going to live here and I can rent these out. Now, they will actually give me a full loan on these, which means I would borrow 80% and I would pay down 20%. And that's a huge benefit to anybody looking to get started in real estate. And that's the reason these are so powerful. But a lot of these are also in low-income areas or neighborhoods. Now, that is it as far as residential properties. If we add 1 extra door up under the same, now we've got a bigger building and it has 5 doors. This is a game changer. Okay, so this is 5 units or a 5-plex, a 5-unit, 5-door. You'll hear doors, you'll hear units, but anyway, 5. This is commercial. Okay, so after 5 doors, you cannot get a regular single-family loan on this property, which means this loan up here, they'll lend it for 30 years. This loan down here, it might be similar terms. You might be able to do 20% over 80, but they're most likely going to do a 10, 15, or even a 5-year balloon. And what that means is the note is due in full. Now, the big thing I want you to take away is commercial properties is 5 units, and multifamily is 5 units plus. So 5 units as high as you can go. If it's 4 or less, it is a single family residence. Now, please memorize this because this is very, very important for you to know and understand.